No rap money, this from the pavement. Been solid with the plug, no arraignment. I got bail money in some cryptos. Some of that blood money on crypto.
Calico on crypto. Welcome to Front Page Crypto News. If you're new to the crypto space, thanks for tuning in. You're in the right place. Like, sub, hit the bell. If you've been in this space and you don't have time to read the news, well, guess what? I got you. I go through the internets and I go ahead and grab some stories that I think are pretty interesting. All right. On the left side of the screen there, you'll see these are the running prices for a bunch of coins right here. These prices are from 8 p.m. today, June 18th, 2021. And these stories, for the most part, are from today, June 18th, 2021. All right. So let's start at the top here with the hot stories that Cointelegraph posted. One of them being even Vitalik is surprised at just how long Ethereum 2 is taking. Links in the description if you want to know more about that. As you can see, Bitcoin drops below 36K is another one. And I get a few more opinion and fact pieces in there. But the one that stuck out to me was this: top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. Okay, they got Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Sol, and Theta. Okay, so definitely check out those coins. I mean, if it's on Cointelegraph, it's telling you something. That means a lot of people are either checking out these coins or there's something going on with these coins. So definitely check it out. I'll tell you right off the bat, I got a good bag of ADA. So I'm definitely, excited to see that they're getting more publicity in different places. All right. So now moving down here, this is a real interesting story right here. All right. The title is "Pay for In-House Counsel in Crypto Companies Can Yield Big Rewards or Risk." Now, this piece right here, right, this is what they're talking about. It's from law.com. All right. So what they're talking about here is that some crypto companies, right, because they need lawyers, right? Every company needs some type of law firm or lawyer to help them do different things. XRP, for example, they got in-house lawyers. All right. So what this company's saying is that lawyers, they want to be able to hire a lawyer in-house, which means a lawyer only works exclusively for that company. And instead of paying that lawyer in money like cash, dollars, they will pay that attorney in the company's cryptocurrency. So for example, if I was a cryptocurrency company called Calico and my coin was called the Calico coin, right? I'd hire a lawyer and tell him, hey, look, man, I'm going to pay you 10,000 Calico coins. Every time you do whatever it is that lawyers do. You see what I'm saying? So the risk is, it's a big reward if my coin goes up, because then the lawyer then gets paid more, right? He can sell those coins for currency, for money. But if my coin dips or drops, then, he's out of luck there, right? So it's risky. But again, it's letting us know that, different companies are looking to adopt, a coin type of deal where they pay people in cryptocurrency versus what? Dollars. You see what I'm saying? So interesting piece. It's a pretty quick read. Link in the description as well. As we move down here, right? I believe this is off Cointelegraph. If we look here, what stood out to me was this: 2 things, right? First one was Berkshire Hathaway invests 500 million in Brazilian digital bank. Okay, that's freaking nuts. Berkshire Hathaway, if you don't know who they are, they're a huge player in the stock market. Just look at their freaking stock price. They're up there, right? The second thing that stuck out to me was this, right? IRS needs congressional authority to handle crypto. So that pretty much means the IRS wants to tax us. So keep that in mind. All right. Didn't really read that story because we're not there yet. So more to come from that. But I will touch on Berkshire Hathaway. So Berkshire Hathaway, they invested 500 million in Nubank. Okay, that's a bank in Brazil, right? So just reading off what it says here. All right, the company recently launched in Colombia. Okay, now the company again was in Brazil. So Nubank then got a new company in Colombia, or a franchise, whatever you want to call it, right? Berkshire Hathaway went ahead and just threw down 500 mil. They funded them, they helped them out. And pretty much what these guys are trying to do, Nubank, right? They're trying to democratize access to financial services. Pretty much people in those countries barely have bank accounts and they barely use credit, because credit in those third world countries are super high. And also too, people rather have cash than bank accounts. With cryptocurrency, right, if they drive people to adopt it, then guess what? People will then have money, they'll have banks, the banking institutions will what? Get more money. You see what I'm saying? So again, Berkshire Hathaway believes in what they're doing and they invested. So again, read the links, do further research if you want to know more about it, but it's pretty interesting. All right, moving forward here. All right, two more. It's the second to the last one. Microstrategy to sell 500 million of bonds to buy bitcoins. Self-explanatory. There's a company, Reuters, called Microstrategy Inc. All right, those guys are going to sell their bonds to buy more Bitcoin. So I don't know how much they're buying. They may buy 500 million. I don't know if they're lying about it or buy less than that. But either way, those guys are betting on Bitcoin and they're going to buy more of it. All right. So again, that's just showing us where the financial picture is headed, where corporations are headed in some way. Yeah, I mean, they're believing more and more in cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of what the news says. All right. And the last story, this one probably the most interesting out of all of them, is this. Massachusetts employers are feeling better about the future. Okay. It's a pretty long piece. Click on the link, you can read through it. But this is what caught my eye right here. Okay. So there's this company that has some type of platform that helps people build businesses, right? For example, if I wanted to start a fashion company, I'd hit those dudes up and they'll help me pretty much build that business up. I hire them and they'll tell me, okay, market it this way, use this logo, connect with these people, blah, 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 right? They help you build your business, your branding pretty much. So what these dudes are doing now though, due to cryptocurrency and the whole space, they're actually now, it says right here, they're considering shifting their platform to focus heavily on cryptocurrency. All right, heavily on cryptocurrency, man. Again, adoption, again, where we're moving to. That means that if I was to start a company tomorrow and I'm like, dude, you know, my freaking product is great, I need investors. Instead of me going public with an IPO or going public on the stock market, these people will help me go public on the, cryptocurrency space. You know what I mean? They'll help me achieve that in whatever way that they do. So again, that's moving towards adoption. Again, cryptocurrency is the future, man. That's all I can say. On the left side here, in case you guys were looking at it, or if you can even see it, I don't know how good it is on your screens, right? I'll make it better as, videos come out weekly. Like I said, like, sub, hit the bell. These are just the prices as of 8 a.m. today, June 8th, 2021. Take a look at it. I mean, I think it's interesting. And again, say a month from now, you want to know what the price was on June 8th, 2021 at 8 p.m., you know where to go, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise, that's all the news I have for today. These are the front page stories. Again, hit the links on the bottom. And if you have anything to add, anything to subtract, anything to say, comment. It is what it is. Otherwise, I'm out of here.